To begin with, I started by practicing projects from the Arduino projects book by Scott Fitzgerald. Early projects helped me understand how you use digital read arguments to then digitally output to LED with a digital write argument. The second clip with the 3 LED prototype the part of my system that reads the analog input over 2 ct4013 temperature sensors. The ct4013 work by reading temperature and representing it as a voltage change by using the argument sensor valve. Every 10 millivolts from the sensor is equivalent to 1 degree Celsius. Using the analog input of the TMP sensors and a combination of a serial print argument to the serial monitor and some math in the code, it was possible to establish the temperature as a Celsius value and use that in my code. This data plus if-else statements made it possible to apply logic with operators and digital write out the change in state of the LEDs. The next stage was to prototype LED activation using an LDR or photoresistor. The final stage was to build the entire system and incorporate all of what I'd learned. The LDR is a variable resistor and measures change in resistance when light interacts with it. Using 10 kΩ resistors as a voltage divider, it was possible to determine the baseline value to then activate the LEDs. Using Boolean logic, for loops and float arguments, the Arduino reads both temperature and light to firstly activate the LEDs, then change the LED states between green, blue and red. Green is nominal value, or good, blue is below nominal or too cold, red is above nominal or too high. My system consists of an Arduino Uno, a potentiometer to cheat the output of the resistors to activate the LEDs for demonstration's sake, 2 TMP36s, 3 LEDs, 3 220 ohm resistors, 2 photoresistors or LDRs, 2 10 kilo ohm resistors, a selection of cables and a 9-volt battery. All of this is then assembled into some 3D printed parts that make up another project. This is a nightlight that communicates the temperature of the environment visually by activating LEDs as previously described.